Many of you have asked me in the comments how to connect a 3-zone cymbal to the Roland SPD SX Pro. Unfortunately, it doesn't really seem like this is possible. I've tried it today. I've plugged in both inputs on the back of my CY15, and effectively the SPD SX Pro seems to just get a bit confused. So what I'm going to do now is play the cymbal in exactly the same spot for you, and you'll see that what happens is it goes between pads 1 and 3 because I've got it plugged into 2 separate inputs in the back. Can you see that it just basically gets confused? So I'll show you how I've got it set up for you. On pad 3, I've got the ride edge and the ride bell. And then if I get it back to pad 1, which it will do randomly, I've got the ride and the ride edge. So basically, if you look at the back of the cymbal, which I'll show you now, so effectively plugged into both, you can see that it says bow and bow there as well. So both inputs actually share the same sound. The difference is that the bell is on one and the edge is on the other, which is sort of how I've set it up here. I've got the ride edge and then I've got the bow on the other one, or bow or bow, whatever you call it. But effectively it seems to get confused, and even though I've plugged them into 2 different inputs on the back, as I already mentioned, which are these 2 here, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, they're both dual inputs. It's just not letting me play the cymbal in the way that I would like to as a 3-zone cymbal. And I've even tried messing around with the different settings here. You'll see that I've got it on mix, which you may think is probably wrong. I have tried every single type, but you see these don't really give us what we want, because a fade isn't what we want. What we really want is that it detects it as 2 different zones, which isn't happening. So I've tried all of them. I've even tried alternative, and I've even tried hi-hat, but it's just not letting me do anything. So unfortunately, it doesn't seem like you can connect a 3-zone cymbal to the SPD SX Pro in the way that we would like. I hope this has been useful. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more in the future.